How to fix login error in Marriott Bonvoy application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, you want to connect to a secure network that is actually working, and by doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of login errors, simply go to your settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, and here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Marriott Bonvoy application. Our Marriott Bonvoy application, simply tap on it and click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login errors. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after here, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.